Hello everyone, I am glad to welcome you to the Drive It Easy channel. Today we have a very interesting intersection, and we have something to discuss. Subscribe to the channel, write your own thoughts in the comments, and we will begin. We see an intersection where a red car is already moving. The white car is just about to enter this intersection. In this situation, what is the order of passing through this intersection? Write your thoughts in the comments. So the correct answer is A. Red car and white car. The white car approached this intersection and the installed road signs indicate that it is a roundabout, and also that it must give way. That is, it must give way to everyone who moves in a circle. Congratulations to everyone who gave the correct answer. Let's model a similar intersection. Also, the red car is moving through the intersection and the white one is just about to enter the intersection. In this situation, what is the order of passage through this intersection? Interesting facts you didn't know. In the treasure trove of laws that are hard to come by, there's another strange law in Alabama. It's illegal to drive a vehicle with your eyes closed. Correct answer. B. White car, red car. As we see that there is no roundabout sign at this intersection. The red car, already moving along the intersection, sees a give way sign in front of it and accordingly must stop and give way. The white car is just entering this intersection and sees a main road sign in front of it. Therefore it must go first. Therefore the correct answer is that the white car goes first and the red car goes second. Write in the comments how you answered this question. Thank you for your attention. Be attentive and careful while driving.